Whether you're a plumber, electrician, carpenter, mobile mechanic, or something else entirely, the Mercedes Sprinter van has become a go-to vehicle because it provides ample space for things like storage, shelving, tools, and anything else that you may need when you're on the job site. But by the time you get all of that loaded in, plus you've got racking, shelving, ladders, etc., you now have a weight problem, regardless of whether you got the Sprinter 2500 or the Sprinter 3500. On top of that, you likely have the high roof model, which means that you now have a high center of gravity on top of all the weight that you've already got loaded in. So this is now becoming an unsafe, unstable, white knuckle driving experience. All of this can be solved with Timbren's SES suspension enhancement system. This is a simple DIY helper spring solution that's been designed specifically for the Sprinter 2500 and 3500 platforms. These are designed to eliminate that side-to-side sway and roll that you're experiencing and give you better control and handling when you're behind the wheel. These Timbren SES suspension enhancement systems are designed with a progressive spring rate. And these, in conjunction with your stock suspension, are going to work to eliminate that side-to-side sway and roll and give you the confidence back when you're behind the wheel. And these systems don't require any air, so no compressors, air lines, hoses, valves, controllers, no expensive installation. These are a set it and forget it solution that once you install underneath your van are just gonna work. And because you never have to worry about them again, it allows you to focus on what matters, the job at hand. And each one of our Timbren SES suspension enhancement systems comes with a no BS lifetime warranty and a 100-day money-back guarantee. Head over to Timbren.com right now and transform the way that your Sprinter van performs.